In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the IDM extension to your Google Chrome browser manually. Internet Download Manager, or IDM, significantly enhances your downloading experience, speed, and efficiency. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, sometimes the most direct method is all you need. Today, we're diving into the simple steps that will guide you through this process. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is search for the IDM integration module. This is a crucial step because the integration module acts as the bridge between your Internet Download Manager and the Chrome browser. Fire up your preferred search engine and input IDM integration module into the search bar. You should see a list of results pop up instantly. Next, you'll want to click on the first link that appears. This standard recommendation helps ensure that you're accessing the most relevant and updated information directly. This link will lead you to the official or most trusted source for accessing the downloadable content that you're after. Once on the website, look for the downloadable link that's typically positioned under number 2 on the list or instructions provided on the page. This link is essential as it will direct you to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll take the next steps to proceed with the installation. With the Chrome Web Store now open in your browser, you'll find yourself ready to move forward in adding the IDM extension. Look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation dialog. Confirming this by selecting Add Extension will begin the installation process for IDM. You're essentially giving Chrome permission to integrate IDM and communicate with it to manage downloads more efficiently. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you now have the IDM extension working seamlessly with your Chrome browser. A quick reminder, after installation, you might want to restart Chrome to ensure the extension integrates perfectly. The steps we've covered today are simple, but they make a marked difference in how effectively your browser handles downloads. Internet Download Manager is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to streamline their downloading capabilities and do so with ease and efficiency. Whether you're downloading files for work, study, or entertainment, IDM is definitely a great companion. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now ready to experience the enhanced and optimized downloading experience that IDM offers when fully integrated with your Chrome browser. If you found this video useful, consider checking our other tutorials on tech tips and tricks to further optimize your digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.